So we just got the new Mac Mini, just arrived. Even the DHL box all opens up like that, which is quite impressive. So let's try and unbox this with one hand. This is the second one up because I do video editing. I mean, the base one is fantastic value, but it's only got 256 SSD. This one has 512 because I do some video editing, so from a YouTube channel. So I needed to go up, but if you're just doing basic work and you don't need the storage, just get the basic one. Particularly if you can get student discount on it, because you get $100 or £100 off if you get student discount. So this is it. Wow, it's small, heavy, quite heavy. Wow, it's really small, fabulous. So I'm going to give my son my MacBook M1 MacBook Pro for his university, hopefully next year. This is going to be my replacement because I don't really use my my MacBook I don't really use my MacBook remotely. I just have it plugged into my monitor. I never take it anywhere. So I thought I might as well just save a lot of money and get one of these. So yeah, these are I think $699 in the UK. The base one's $599. So this is an M4. So this is unbelievably powerful. And I'm from the days where I used to build PCs, and you know, it's incredible that you've got one of the most powerful computers you can possibly buy, and it's in that tiny format. I mean, it's not much bigger than an Apple TV. So let's take this off and have a look. It's difficult with one hand, isn't it? Even with Apple's easy to unpack things. I'm going to just need two for a second, just bear with me. There we go. So, just bring it over to the window. So, there's the controversial power button on the bottom, but it won't bother me because I never turn it off. It's got a fan, if the fan kicks in, it blows air up from the bottom as well. Very, very nice design. It's got this version, unless you go for the Pro, this has got 3 Thunderbolt ports on the back, an HDMI, a LAN cable, and it's got 2 USB-C ports on the front. I wish it had an SD card slot for video, but I have got an SD card reader that plugs into USB, so that's fine. So yeah, really nice piece of kit, that, isn't it? Beautiful. So I'll get this set up, and I'm sure it will be very good for my video editing with the M4 chip, and even better than my M1, which is still plenty good enough actually, but this will give me a bit of future proofing for the video editing as well. Cheers.